Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Wafi bin Afandi from class 5A. So today I'm going to present you my post lab for lab 1. So for this lab 1, I use constraint layout method to organize my application. So I have in this activity main layout, I have 5 elements, which is the edit tag for name, edit tag for birthday, edit tag for address, edit text for hobby, and lastly the button to submit. So because I use constraint layout, so each element in this layout must have an ID so that we can constrain the element with another element. So for example, for my first element, which is the edit text name, I put this ID, which is edit text name. So first, we want to organize this at the top of the screen and also at the left of the screen. So and also the end of this edit tag will also end with the end of the interface of the screen. So because of that, we use these three constraint so that it will be organized in the preferred position. And also, I also put this margin so that it will have a gap horizontally and also vertically at the start of the screen. So for the second one, edit text for birthday, I put this ID, edit text birthday. So because we want to put the tag below the name element, so because of that, the bottom of the top of the birthday uh, edit tag will become the bottom of the edit text name. So because of that, this is why we have this constraint, which is constraint top to bottom of ID slash edit text name. So this also applicable to the third element and the fourth element. So you can see the third element is edit text address. Because we want to put at the bottom of the birthday, we use this constraint top to bottom of ID slash edit text birthday, which is the ID for the top element. And lastly, the last element for the edit one, which is address. So we put this constraint edit text address constraint top to the bottom of edit text address, so that this four element of the edit tag will be organized accordingly from one to last for the order that we wanted to do. So and between of these four, I also put the margin so that there will be a gap between them. Both vertically, which is margin top, and horizontally, using margin horizontal layout. So lastly, the last element, which is the button element, I put the ID slash button submit as the ID. And for the constraint, I want to put it under the edit text hobby element. So because of that, we use this constraint. So that's all for my lab 1. Let's look at the running application. So as you can see, this application is working according to what we want from the post lab question. So that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.